Finding the best fishing rod can be a real pain. There are so many options on the market, and you don't know which will be the best for you and your needs. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best fishing rods on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which fishing rod will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we may not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 1 on our list is Ugly Stik GX2. Ugly Stik GX2 is a highly flexible fishing rod. It uses a combination of high modulus graphite and fiberglass, and in practice, it works perfectly. This fishing rod also provides a great mix of quality, affordability, and flexibility. It has outstanding sensitivity that more experienced individuals can use to fine-tune their fishing applications. If you look at the visuals, you will see that the name is misleading. This rod is anything but ugly. In fact, the aesthetics are top-notch. With a black matte finish and some red trims from the inside, the rod looks sleek. If you're a traditionalist, you will immediately recognize a diamond pattern that runs along the blank, right above the grip. So not only is this rod functional, but it looks great at the same time as well. Overall, if you want a great value, you can't go wrong with Ugly Stik GX2, and you should absolutely give it a try. Number 2 on our list is Crystal River C/CTFK1, our choice for the best budget fishing rod. If you want a great fishing rod that is both functional and affordable at the same time, Crystal River C/CTFK1 is the product for you. This fishing rod is made from high-quality materials, and it offers outstanding durability. If you maintain it properly, you can expect that it will last for decades on end. On top of that, the rod is well balanced, and it can be used by any fisherman regardless of their experience. The default reel itself is a bit subpar, but it's sufficient enough for people who have just started fishing and who are learning the proper techniques. The good news is that you can easily replace it with a more advanced solution whenever you want. So the rod has plenty of flexibility, and you can easily tweak it according to your own preferences. Budget-friendly solutions can rarely compete with more high-end products, but Crystal River C/CTFK1 is an exception. Not only is this rod just as functional as many expensive fishing rods, but it's equally outstanding as well. Number 3 on our list is Orvis Clearwater Fly Rod Outfit 905-4. Another high-quality fishing rod that deserves your attention is Orvis Clearwater Fly Rod Outfit 905-4. This rod is easy to use, and it provides a nice blend of power and finesse, along with a convenient mid-flex taper. The casts are accurate, short, and quick-loading, which provides plenty of flexibility in the long run. At the same time, this rod has more than enough backbone to deal with long-distance casts as well. In general, this is a great rod for fishermen who want to try new and different combinations. As the rod is very versatile, you can tweak it according to your preferences without the fear of breaking it. If you want a flexible fishing rod that is suitable for both veterans and newcomers alike, you should certainly give this one a try. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4 on our list is Cadence Fishing CC6. Cadence Fishing CC6 is yet another outstanding fishing rod that deserves your attention. The rod is made from top-quality materials. Its body is filled with 24-ton graphite, and the side plates are enhanced with a strong combination of aluminum and carbon. The handle is 100% ergonomic, so you won't feel any pain, even after long fishing sessions. The performance is top-notch when it comes to both long and short casts as well. The rod is extremely durable too, and it's highly resistant to corrosion. So once you get it, you can be sure that it will serve you well for many, many years. CC6 is literally a rod for everyone. Regardless of how experienced you really are, it will suit you perfectly. And the best thing is, you don't need to break the bank to get a high-quality solution at all. You can get this superb value without spending a lot of money. Number 5 on our list is Plusino Telescopic Fishing Rod. This is a perfect solution for saltwater fishing. This rod comes with stainless steel reel seats that are highly resistant to corrosion. Also, the reel is easy to change, so if you're not happy with the default solution, you can easily replace it with a superior one. The grip uses pure EVA foam that provides plenty of durability for a low cost. At the same time, it makes the cleaning process so much easier. Thanks to its outstanding flexibility, this is a great rod for long-distance casting, and thanks to a smart combination of medium and moderate action, you will get a superb hook setting capability. Overall, it's hard to find a cheap fishing rod that provides sufficient value, but Plusino Telescopic Fishing Rod is a worthy exception. This rod can easily compete with more advanced fishing rods, both in terms of quality and the overall design, so you have one more reason to add it to your collection of fishing equipment. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.